From 0 to 50K month, the method. No one told you about. I started at 0. No money, no followers, no plan, just a broken laptop, a cracked phone, and a hunger so loud it kept me awake long after midnight. The kind of hunger that doesn't beg for food. It begs for freedom. No rich parents, no safety net, no one texting, "I believe in you." Just a quiet voice inside me that whispered, "There's more. You just have to build it." People told me I was wasting time. Go get a real job. Online money isn't real. YouTube, that's for lucky people. But I didn't want lucky. I wanted leverage. I wanted to build something that worked while I slept. So I stopped talking and started building. Here's the method that took me from 0 to 50K month. Step 1. Pick one high-leverage skill. I started with copywriting. Why? Because every business needs words that convert. Ads, sales pages, emails, words are weapons in the digital world. So I learned, day and night. I rewrote viral tweets, studied landing pages, sold my writing for $5 just to get reps in. Eventually, $5 turned into $50. Then $500. One skill gave me a way out. Step 2. Stack skills silently. But copywriting wasn't enough, so I learned automation, funnels, YouTube scripting, AI video editing. I built digital engines. I didn't need to go viral. I needed to go scalable, because when skills combine, they multiply. Step 3. Launch in the shadows. I didn't post selfies, didn't beg for likes. I built a faceless channel, a silent machine. It made content. It earned trust. And slowly, it started to pay. Step 4. Build a simple digital product. When I had an audience, even a small one, I packaged my method, a mini course, just a Notion doc and a few Loom videos. Sold it for $27. Not a get-rich-quick gimmick, just the truth. That night, $180 in my account. Next week, $200. One product. Infinite scale. Step 5. Automate, outsource, expand. I hired a VA to handle DMs, used AI to edit my videos. Created 2 more channels using the same blueprint. One stream turned into 4, then 6. My time became untouchable. Now I wake up and check Stripe. Sometimes it's $900. Sometimes it's $3,200. I don't chase clients, I build systems. Because wealth isn't loud, it's engineered. And here's the truth. This isn't a flex, this is a mirror. If you're at 0, just like I was, you're not behind. You're just starting. So pick your skill. Shut out the noise, start messy, stay quiet, move dangerously. Because 1 year from now, you could be unrecognizable.